What do you think of the farmers market?
I think it's very diverse. There's a lot going on here, a lot of different cultures. I think it's cool. There's a lot of variety in what I could get here. And it smells nice with the meat truck over here, and the music. It's just so lively.
What's your opinion of cities?
They're very hectic, dirty, big, and congested. They're very congested. And it's so fast-paced, everyone's very scrambling to get everywhere.
What do you think of the park?
It's very green, The water is very green. But it contrasts well with the city, The city's like gray and glass, and out here it's all green and brown. It clears your mind, There's no car horns or anything. I think that's pretty nice.